boys and girls, let's take a look at our math lesson. We're on lesson 6.1. We are on a whole new topic. We're going to be working on addition. So explore addition. Our objective for today is to show numbers in many ways. All right, are you ready? Let's continue. All right, listen carefully.
Carlos is thinking about some flowers he picked. Use counters to show how many pink and purple flowers he picked. How many flowers did he pick in all? Think about the problem. Write the number that tells how many. Then use your fingers to show how you know.
All right, so Carlos had picked some flowers. You see, and he's got them right here. He's got 2 pink flowers, so we're going to use counters to represent. So we're going to use red counters for the pink flowers. How many pink flowers? 1, 2. Okay, let's put 2 here. 1, 2. And then he's got some purple flowers. Let's use a different color. Let's use yellow. Let's count how many flowers. 1, 2, 3. Let's put 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then I'm going to get my pointer out, and it says, how many flowers did he pick in all? So he has 2 pink flowers, and he has 3 purple flowers. How many all together? So what he needs to do is he needs to count all the flowers together. So we're going to count all this. I'm going to circle all the flowers so we count them all. And it's the same as counting all the counters. All right, are you ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many flowers did Carlos have all together? He had 5. So let's make a 5. Little line, little curve, little line across the top. So if I wanted to show that with my fingers, if you see me in that little window, I have 2 that were pink and 3, or Carlos had 3 that were purple. And when we count all those fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That shows 5 also. So you can show 5 in many different ways. I showed it with counters, the number, and I also showed it with my fingers. Let's continue. Listen very carefully to your video.
How do you find how many in all? Let's find out. What do you see? There are 2 red blocks and 4 blue blocks. You can join the groups or put them together to find how many in all. How many are there in all? There are 6 blocks in all. What does the picture show? Carlos claps 2 claps and Jada knocks 4 knocks. How many sounds in all? There are 6 sounds in all. What do you see? One hand is holding up 2 fingers. The other hand is holding up 4 fingers. How many fingers in all? There are 6 in all. What does the picture show? There are 2 green apples. How many yellow apples do you see? How many apples in all? There are 4 yellow apples and 6 apples in all. What 2 numbers are shown by all the pictures?
2 and what? 4. 2 and 4, 2 and 4.
They show 2 and 4. There are different ways to show numbers.
Wonderful. All right, so let's take a look at our guided practice. All right, so our job is you have to be a really good listener and listen to the story. And then you'll have to fill out what we have here, okay? So first of all, I'm going to show you, I'm going to clap. You got to listen how many times I'm going to clap and how many times I'm going to knock. Now listen. That's how many times I clapped. How many times was that? 2. You're right. Now listen how many times I'm going to knock. How many times did I knock? 3. So I had 2 and 3. All right. Now let's take a look at our first question here. We have 2 crayons that are orange. So we put the 2 here. How many crayons are purple? How would you find out? You would count. 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. We have 3 purple crayons, 2 orange crayons, and 3 purple crayons. How many all together? What I like to do to remind me to count all the crayons is I like to circle all the crayons. So the orange ones and the purple ones. Then I like to count. Okay, let's count and find how many in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. We have 5 crayons all together, so I'm going to make a 5. Little line, little curve, little line across the top. So if you read this, it says 2 and 3 is 5 in all. Great job. Let's continue. All right, let me push this up just a little bit. All right, now be careful and so that you can hear the story so you know what to do. All right, for number 2, Cammie has 3 green crayons. So we have to do our job and color 3 crayons green. So you're going to have to get out your crayon or your green crayon and color 3 green. 1, 2, 3, because that's how many are green. And we have 1 that is blue, okay? So I'm going to get my blue crayon out, and I'm going to color that blue. You guys will be much better at coloring than I am with this computer. All right, now let's take a look, all right? So we have how many green? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So there's 3, and how many blue? 1, and there's a 1. 3 and 1 is how many all together? So let's circle it so we remember to count all of them. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many crayons all together? 4. Whoops, I didn't want to do that. Let me erase that. Yeah, I want to make a nice 4. So if I don't make it quite the way I want to, I just redo it. Okay, little line, big line down. And when I read this, it says 3 and 1 is 4 in all. Good job. All right, let's take a look at number 3. Sammy has 1 brown crayon. So let's get, I don't have any brown here. Well, let's do a black, okay? Because I don't have brown. So I'm going to color, you can color yours brown, but I don't have brown. So I'm going to color mine black, or you can color it black, that's fine too. And he has 5 purple crayons. Let's see if I have purple in here. I do. So we have to color 5 purple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So we have 1 black one and 5 purple. Now, I want to know how many all together. So if we want to know how many all together, we have to count all the black and all the purple. Or brown if you do brown. So I circled them so that I know I have to count all of them. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do I have? 6. So I'm going to make a beautiful 6 here. So when I read this, it's going to say 1 and 5 is 6 in all. Good job. Let's take a look at your guided practice. This is what you can do on your own. All right? So the first thing you're going to do is take a look at number 4, and it says June has 5 erasers in one pocket. Okay? And she has 2 erasers in another pocket. How many does she have in all? So she's got, I'm just going to put a little line here. She's got 5 in one pocket. So I've underlined 5, and she's got 2 in the other pocket. All right? How many altogether? What do we need to do? You are right. We need to circle all the erasers and count them. So I'm going to put my circle them with my pencil, and then I'm going to count them all. Okay? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many altogether? 7. So I'm going to put a 7. Little line across, big line slides down. So this is how I would read that. Oh shoot, it died. 5 and 2 is 7 in all. My microphone is not working, but you guys can probably still hear me. All right? So this one you're going to do on your own. Number 5. All right? Well, you know what? That one's a little bit harder because it's a higher order thinking. Let me help you. Okay? So for this one, you have 9. Miguel has 9 erasers. Okay? So let's count. This is all what he has. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So he has 9. He gave some to his friend Aaron and some to his friend Bella. Okay? So we have to decide how many he gave to each friend. All right? Let's do, you get to decide, but you can do a different answer if you want, but I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, so I'm going to say that his friend Aaron gets this many. I'm going to color him blue. Okay, so Aaron got that many. And then I'm going to say Bella's, she got yellow erasers. Okay, so I'm going to color the ones that Bella got are yellow. Gosh, I can't color very good with this. But okay. All right, so I need to get out my pencil again. I need to count how many, because we had 9 altogether. How many did I give Aaron? Let's count. He got the blue ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. He had 4. So I'm going to make a 4. Little line, big line, down. Now I'm going to count how many he gave to Bella. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many did he give Bella? 5. Little line, little curve, little line across the top. There we go. So he had 9 altogether, but he gave some of them to his friend Aaron. He gave 4, and he gave 5 to his friend Bella. But you can change that answer. You can change it to whatever you want. And if you want to do a different one, you sure can. When you finish, boys and girls, I want you to take a picture of your independent practice and also your guided practice, this sheet that you did also, so I can see your great work. If you have any questions, please message me or give me a call so I can help you out. All right. Have a great day, boys and girls.